Today we're diving into the world of note-taking apps with a head-to-head comparison between Notion and Joplin. Notion is a versatile all-in-one workspace known for its customizable features and collaborative tools, while Joplin is a powerful open-source note-taking app focusing on privacy and simplicity. We'll explore their features, pricing structure, user experience, pros and cons, and alternatives to help you choose the best fit for your needs.
Let's take a look at these programs' main features. Notion features include Versatile Workspace. Notion offers a flexible workspace where you can create databases, wikis, and task lists all in one place. Rich Media Embeds. It allows seamless integration of multimedia content, like images, videos, and files, directly into your notes. Team Collaboration. With real-time collaboration features, teams can work together on projects and share updates instantly. Customizable Templates. Notion provides customizable templates for various use cases, from project management to personal journaling. Joplin features include end-to-end encryption. Joplin prioritizes security with end-to-end encryption for all your notes, ensuring your data remains private. Markdown support. It offers robust Markdown support, making it easy to format and organize your notes efficiently. Cross-platform syncing. Joplin seamlessly syncs across multiple devices, allowing you to access your notes anytime, anywhere. Open source. Being open source, Joplin offers transparency and allows users to contribute to its development.
Notion offers a freemium model with a free plan for individuals and paid plans starting at $4 per month. Joplin, on the other hand, is entirely free to use, with no subscription fees or premium tiers. Notion boasts a sleek and intuitive user interface, making it easy for users to navigate and customize their workspace. Joplin offers a minimalist design, focusing on functionality and simplicity for a distraction-free note-taking experience. When comparing Notion and Joplin, both have distinct advantages and drawbacks. Notion excels in versatility, offering a wide range of features such as customizable workspace, rich media embedding, and team collaboration. However, its pricing structure may be a concern for some users. On the other hand, Joplin prioritizes privacy and security with end-to-end encryption and open-source transparency, while also providing a robust Markdown support. Yet, it may lack some of the advanced collaboration features found in Notion.
For those seeking alternatives, Evernote and OneNote are popular options similar to Notion, offering a range of features for note-taking and organization. As for Joplin alternatives, SimpleNote and Standard Notes are noteworthy choices, pardon the pun, for those prioritizing privacy and simplicity.
Ultimately, the choice between Notion and Joplin boils down to your specific needs and preferences. If you value versatility, collaboration, and customizable templates, Notion may be the way to go. However, if privacy, security, and Markdown support are your top priorities, Joplin offers a compelling alternative. Sign up for both Notion and Joplin using the links in the description, and don't forget to subscribe for more easy internet tips. Thank you.